Big Daddy Tommy DeStefano. Here's one goes for you, brother.
I'm looking out, baby, for number one. It's my time, girl, you're just about done. I had enough of this walking on me. Give it up, baby, baby, you're done with me. Give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up, baby, you're done with me. Now listen, I tried my best with me to have some fun. All you did was outsteal my gun. Damn, if I'm going away around the sea, you're gonna take that gun and shoot at me. Give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up, baby, give it up. Give it up, baby, you're done with me. Come on, Steve, you know that. Bass player. His name was Peter St. George. One more time. This song's a true song, and I gotta tell you, I was married to one that she kind of, you know, I understand abuse, let me tell you. And this is all a true story. I don't know if some of you folks that have experienced this. Yeah. Anybody ever get up in your face? Anybody have one of those relationships? Sometimes you get that in my face, embarrassing me out all over the place. All I did was glass of water and red. Damn if you did and smack me in my head. Give it up, baby, give it up.